Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Henry Brown Jr., your favorite beekeeper, and today we are not dealing with bees at all. So as you can see in this blue blanket, man, we got some nasty paper wasps today. They're not even bees, they're paper wasps. And man, the homeowner said that there's been numerous people being attacked by these nasty little critters. There's no saving nothing like this. They're very aggressive, very nasty, and they will sting the hell out of you. So we got some pyrethrin today to take care of this problem, and we're going to get rid of all of these paper wasps. And the reason that I use this product right here is because it has a knockdown effect, so that mitigates the problem, controls it, and so that way people aren't getting stung all around me. And so hopefully I don't get stung today with these nasty things. And the homeowner said that he had tried to control this problem. Whenever he lifted up this blanket, 50 of them came after his hand, and they followed him all the way back up to the house. So I need to be careful and make sure that I'm completely suited up except for my ankles, and we're going to give this a go. So we got them in this blanket right in this hole. And basically what we need to do is create a barrier. Ooh, these are nasty. Oh man, they're big too. Ooh, and see, the key to this is you just want to saturate the hell out of it. You don't want them to go nowhere. Ooh, look at that. Ooh wee. Oh, they're right here too. Let's see what we got now. So I'm gonna open this blanket up. Oh look, there's the big old queen wasp right there. Let me get that on camera. That's that big old queen right there. Look at that queen. That's a queen wasp right there. Ooh, I don't know if that's a queen or a drone, because look, multiple of them. I know it's big. Look at all those eggs from a paper wasp nest. Ooh wee. Oh my goodness. Look at all them baby wasps that's gonna tear the hell out of somebody. Look at them. Oh man, look, they're steady coming out. Big ones. Let's go ahead and open this blanket all the way. Oh Jesus. Hold on, I don't think they're all dead. Go ahead and keep spraying. Oh man, look, they were hiding. Go ahead and get them. And that's really why I love this product right here. I mean, they're good as dead. Right where they belong. Oh man, that is a big wasp nest. Look at that. And this right here is what was terrorizing everybody, the workers. Oh, that's probably the queen right there. And just that, I don't see any more alive wasp. So just that, I mean, we have completely eliminated one of these nasty paper wasp nests that sting you, terrorize your house, terrorize your property. I see a whole bunch of dead ones, but I don't see any more. That's it. Thank you for watching.